Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the chat highlights on the Twitch website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel, which is the first option. Then you should scroll down and tap on Customize Channel on the right side. You will be directed to the Creator Dashboard section where you should tap on the Stream Manager section in this left side column. And after that, you should be able to see the My Chat section on the left side. Then click on the settings button down below chat settings, and after that click on chat highlights in the middle of this section where you can set a bunch of options. You can switch on individual highlights such as suspicious user, first time chat, mention, moderator, VIP or subscriber, and you can also enable shortcuts to access highlight controls at the bottom of the chat as it says below. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.